Hi, my name is Bridget. I'm the Director of Universities at G51EDU, and I'm here to help you integrate captivating, engaging video to your classroom. Teaching with video is critical when educating today's tech-centric generations. Augment the long-form traditional text and captivate your students with interactive case studies that are relevant and current. Our bite-sized video format is easy to digest and keeps your audience engaged. G51 case studies easily allow professors to integrate video in their lessons. Simply browse our video library, pick your cases, and we'll provide you with a link that you embed in your syllabus. Using this unique link, your students will gain access to a custom module which we build around the cases of your choice. Lastly, just as textbook resources are paid for at the beginning of the semester, your students will be able to purchase the video cases via the same unique link we provide that is then embedded in your syllabus.